YouTube is amazing. You can share your passions with the world. You can build a community. You can even make a living. It's a platform where anyone with a story can make a difference. Think about it. People crave authenticity. They want real stories from real people. That's where you come in. Your unique voice, your perspective, it matters. Don't underestimate the power of your story. You can inspire, educate, and entertain. You can create real change, one video at a time. So what are you waiting for? The world needs to hear your voice. Starting anything new is scary. YouTube is no different. Self-doubt whispers in your ear. What if nobody watches? What if people judge me? Listen up. Everyone feels that way at first. It's normal to be afraid, but don't let fear paralyze you. Don't let it stop you from sharing your gift. You don't need fancy equipment. You don't need to be a tech genius. Just start. The rest will come. The most important thing is to take that first step. Look at David Dobrik. He started making funny videos in his bedroom. Now he's a YouTube superstar. Or Emma Chamberlain, the queen of relatable content. She started with simple vlogs. Now she's a global brand. These creators started with nothing but passion and a dream. They were scared, just like you. But they took action. They were consistent, and they never gave up. Their stories are proof that anything is possible on YouTube. Ready to start your YouTube journey? Awesome! First, find your niche. What are you passionate about? What do you know a lot about? Make videos about that. Next, learn the basics of video creation. There are tons of free resources online. Don't get bogged down in the technical stuff. Just start filming. Remember, consistency is key. Upload videos regularly. Engage with your viewers. Don't be afraid to experiment. And most importantly, have fun. This is your chance to share your story with the world. So go out there and crush it.